बोलते हैं ना chest voice, head voice. तो ये पता नहीं ये it's a mixed voice which has come out in a very Sufi sort of a way. That's what Manmeet's name. Shivani, you have to sound very Sufi in this. And जब तक he was not, he and Manmeet were not satisfied, we did go ahead कि हाँ this is the final dub. So it has been a nice, lovely journey. We've had a great time. I really have to thank my husband Rajiv because he's the one who actually, sat down with Manmeet and Harmeet initially to get the song going, get the audio going. Then he sat on the video, and then of course, Meet Brothers की जो team है ना, it's fantastic. They looked into each and every intricate detail. So I have just sung the song honestly with my heart and soul. But बाकी जो भी shaping up हुई है, it's them, their team, Karishma, Akshay, Rajiv, everyone. I think they've really made it like a feature film. I really have to say this.
Yeah,
The video.
we have teams, Sangeeta and Ashutosh, who's really done a good job in putting this up. And like we said, this is a family project, so even our PR, our was also really.
You also are family.
Our ID music, our music label, everything is in our conversation.
Absolutely.
Karishma, and Ashu's questions to you. This actually looks like a mini film, and we want to know what's happening in the part 2. But we see so much of emotion. The concept was so beautiful. How easy or difficult or challenging it was when you were performing, especially Karishma, you looked wonderful.
Thank you so much. So as far as the part 2 is concerned, हमको रांझा नया लाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो तो मर गया. हाँ. See, anything is possible on Indian television. Yes. So yes, now that he's given me hope, I think we can look forward to a part 2. So Shivani, please get to work. It was a beautiful experience. My involvement in the video was a very last minute thing. I think these guys were all set to shoot the song, and पता नहीं कहाँ किसी के सपने में आ गई तो किसी के ध्यान में आ गया. इनके सपने में, शिवानी के सपने में आ गया that Karishma's in the video, and next thing is I am in the video. ऐसे और सपने देखा करो.
Really, it is so spooky. It is so crazy. But actually, I dreamt that It is really, I don't know क्या बोलते हैं इसको, but I had a dream that Karishma is shooting and she's in our video. And next day Manmeet का phone आया. You know what? I'm thinking of Karishma for this video. I said, my God, this is called telepathy. So we don't need to communicate. We can communicate telepathically.
Law of attraction.
Law of attraction. Seriously. Because I love her looks and her performance. For a long time, I've been a huge fan of hers. I always, tell her she looks like Penelope Cruz. And she really looks like she is a supermodel. So I'm so delighted that she's a part of the video. Thank you, Karishma.
So much for your kind words. So then when we started the video, I get very serious about my work and I'm kind of a little finicky. The team can vouch for it. They really must have had a tough time with me, but then I believe everything requires perfection. So apart from just acting in the video, I just asked Manmeet, do you give me the permission to get a little deeper and look into who's the guy? What exactly is happening? So yes, I think that entire 1 month was a phenomenal experience for me because I was not just an actor. I was just watching everything happen in front of me. In fact, Manmeet and I had a little tiff also because I was like, right now she just mentioned that इनकी आवाज़ थोड़ी अलग सी बनाई गई है, and I was like, मैंने तो वो वाली शिवानी सोच के मैंने ये गाने के लिए हाँ बोला था, but इसमें she's not sounding Shivani.
Yeah.
And he's like, no, but that's the thing. We all have to evolve, and Shivani is absolutely right. I went to the studio. I heard the song. You weren't there. I heard the song. Shivani was there, and Shivani, this is not you. She's like, but I'm loving it. I said, okay. But eventually, yes, I absolutely agree that we all have to try different things, and she sounded very different. I love this new Shivani also. So I'm very happy. Akshay?
It's a great team. How's your experience?
This before you start, I tell you that अक्षय का जो शो था टेम्पटेशन आइलैंड, उसका करिश्मा और मैंने सारे एपिसोड्स देखे थे, एंड हमको लगता था कि सबसे क्यूट और रियल जो बंदा हमको लगता था हम दोनों का फेवरेट है, तो आप और हम कभी जानते नहीं थे अक्षय को, वो घर पे ट्राई करना बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा. इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस. राजीव तो भी के गाना है एंड करेगा तो मैंने बिना सोचे समझे कि हाँ आपका तो मैं करता हूँ बस हम तो पहले से जानता हूँ जैसे कि इस बार मीट करता हूँ दे आर रियली बिग इन व्हाट दे डू एंड द सिंगर इज शिवानी लाइक डेफिनेटली एंड शूट पे भी मतलब ऐसा नहीं फील हुआ कि एक एक्टर आया है. एक्चुअली में फैमिली फील हुआ फ्रॉम राजीव टू द डायरेक्टर्स टू करिश्मा being such a supportive actor to actor and it was a beautiful experience overall and I really enjoyed myself.
Shivani, जैसे आपने कहा कि this was a new experiment that you did and I just heard that Karishma was happy eventually now when she saw it on the screen that you know आप खुद कितने nervous थे that that's going to be new you and you know you had friends working with you. कितना were you like worried that I'm going to be will I you know this new sound would be accepted not accepted or criticism although you're sounding beautiful but still वो एक रहता है when you change your zone you know.
Thank you so much for the compliment. No, I was not worried. You know, I have complete belief in Manmeet and Harmeet. Musically, complete belief in them. So, you know, we go back a long way. It's not just music. We've been friends for a long time. And they always appreciated the work that I've done. And I love the work that they have been doing. I mean, some of their songs which are not the party numbers are beautiful. I mean, they have this kind of a wide spectrum of music that they do. So when they extracted this new voice out of me, I was super confident. And when I heard it, you know, I found it very refreshing because you can't keep sounding the same all the time. People say, "Yaar, ye to wohi hai." It's like that. So I was very confident, very excited, and this whole journey has been amazing. The way they both have been practicing. इतना practice किए थे choreography. हमारी dance practice बड़ी होती थी. हाँ, really. इतनी मेहनत हुई है. It's not just. I'm telling you, the whole team has worked hard for this project, and that's what I'm super proud of.
आप दूसरे सवाल है कि शिवानी का जैसे अभी we just got the whole experience you know it was a new sound and a new so आपको लग रहा था कि कहीं you know this should not be in our original tone or you know what is that one thought which made you decide that she has to go different?
Sure. We've seen Shivani performing since decades. So 2-3 years. And her versatility, like she was telling me, is so wide that we know that she can crack anything. So all we had to do was slow down the tempo, take the skill, and voice texture tone तो अच्छा ही है. तो the magic happened on its own. And अंदर इसके दर्द तो छुपा ही हुआ है. कहाँ से आ रहा है मुझे still mystery. But the way she sings it, you know, obviously she's going to sing it for you. But it can make you cry if you're going through a bad patch in life. I hope nobody is.
Oh, yes.
I hope nobody goes through a bad patch. But life is up and down. We all know कि कुछ उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता है. समुद्र की लहरों की तरह. तो जब होगा तो ये रांझे दा बिछोड़ा जरूर प्ले करना आप लोग वालों. It will bring you back and connect. That ये तुम अकेले नहीं हो इस मझधार में. और भी बहुत लोग हैं. That's what it is. So she justified the whole melody, lyrics, the production of the song and the video also. All rounder, ये बिल्कुल हमारे विराट कोहली है.
So जब studio बन रहा था तो आपका input रहा उसमें that you know this is as you know of course the song is so heart wrenching. You have your input as we brothers.
So I think big credit goes to the director Ganesh. I think he's a very involved director and passionate, over passionate actually. पूरा सादा ही gets into it, which is great. I think when उनके साथ हमने अभी एक series बनाई है 10 episodes की 10 नामों की, which will be releasing soon. It's called White Room. So we realized कि उसका एक vision है और वो उसको execute करता है. So it was amazing working with Ganesh. I'm sure Karishma can elaborate.
Well, yes, I absolutely second what Manmeet said. Ganesh ji has, I've worked with so many directors, all of them have their strengths, and it has been an amazing experience and I've learned so much from everyone. But Ganesh ji ke saath, he is overcommitted, as in overcommitted would be the wrong word. What did you just mention? Involved, passionate. Every time he would be there for the rehearsals, उनको कुछ दिखता था. Even if Akshay and I were normally talking or laughing, he would just see something and हाँ ऐसा हो जाता था. और I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this. तो ऐसा समझ नहीं आता था कि वो हमको मतलब स्टॉक कर रहे हैं literally. So he gets too involved and which is a wonderful thing. और वो हमको जब सुना रहे थे ना तो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि what exactly is he trying to say. But now that I've seen the video, I exactly understand he had a vision and he's gone exactly according to his vision. So मतलब when we are rehearsing, a director actually doesn't need to be there, you know. He would be talking to the choreographer, he would be talking to us about our comfort levels, what is it, is there something that we don't want to do, and being there in every moment. I think hats off to him. And ये जो हमारा गाना है, actually मुझे नहीं लगता ये एक दिन में shoot होने वाला content है, but उन्होंने फिर भी कर दिखाया. So much of work pressure, but still he was at it, and we can see the output. It's wonderful. It's been a great experience working with Ganesh ji, honestly.
So anything interesting that you can think of while the shoot happened?
Oh yes, no, so many interesting things. Rehearsals में भी interesting था. तो हमारा तो ये पूरी journey बहुत interesting and मजेदार रही है. Shoot के वक्त मेरा जो personal मैं बताऊंगी, so इसमें मैंने cigarette पी है. I actually don't smoke. और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि आप मेरी कबीर सिंह हैं. मैंने कहा मतलब कि तो उसने 2 सिगरेट एक साथ पी थी. So I said मैं एक भी नहीं पीती. He said नहीं, आपको 2 पीनी है. वो इतना register नहीं हुआ है. Actually मैंने हाथ में 2 सिगरेट कर ली है. वो उनको लेडी कबीर सिंह चाहिए थी. वो pathos and the aggression and the wrath of the loss he wanted. So he said कि बस हमें दिखाना है that you know. So मुझे नहीं पता था नॉर्मल सिगरेट्स इतनी पोटेंट होती हैं. एंड हर टेक के पहले जब मैं वो अपने अंदर धुआं भरती थी तो जैसे ही एक्शन होता था मेरा पहला स्टेप ऐसे जाता था. So इतनी अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड ही हैज यूज्ड सो मेनी सच शॉट्स जो एक्चुअली एक्शन वाले नहीं थे, जो रोलिंग के टाइम के थे. तो कभी मैं यहाँ जा रही हूँ, कभी मैं वहाँ जा रही हूँ. और हमारा एक डांस सीक्वेंस भी है जहाँ पे हम मस्ती कर रहे थे और वो उन्होंने वीडियो में यूज कर लिया है. So, like I said, वो पूरा टाइम स्टॉप कर रहे थे.
Shivani, after experience while shooting the song,
So firstly, he's created a very different look. If you see my look, my hair is all gelled back and like very stark kind of a look. You know, very मतलब ऐसा look मेरा बहुत दिनों से मैंने किया ही नहीं है. It's for the very first time actually. And very, I would say, like surrealistic जो feeling थी, the lighting, it was raining throughout. So from the vanity van till the set, we had to really, you know, encounter that rain with all our umbrellas and in all our finery go there. So the rain actually added a lot of, I would say, mood. It added a mood to the song because the song is in a very rainy mood. आपने देखा होगा कि song is set like that. So yeah, I loved it. It was great energy, and I loved to see them perform. The way they were dancing, मेरे को उससे बहुत अच्छी energy मिल रही थी. I said, my gosh, you know, they're really putting in their best in the song. फिर जान आ रही है. It's like that. Yeah, I enjoyed मेरे को simple lip sync और गाना था बस as a singer. So I enjoyed doing that also.
No, but I must say one thing. That even though when she was not required on the set, she was जब वो एक बार तैयार हो गई ना, वो आगे set पे ही बैठी थी. मतलब usually people don't do that. आप अपना करते हो और फिर चले जाते हो. And trust me, वो set पे वहाँ से लेके अंधेरा हो गया था. Like she mentioned, इतनी बारिश हो रही थी. It was not a very comfortable place to sit, but she was constantly sitting near the monitor, watching what's happening. She didn't really need to do that, but I love her passion and I've always been a fan of you and her work.
Thank you so much.
Also, we would like Rajiv Buda to come here and say a few words if he's around. Rajiv Buda. Please come here.
Till he comes, I have to say this, that I finished my shoot, I went back home. Manmeet, आपका गला बैठा हुआ है, but I would want you to tell them what I told you about Rajiv, about how he was. अच्छा, आपका गला बहुत बैठा हो. वो क्या है ना, माइक मेरे हाथ में बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा है, इसलिए इसलिए आई थॉट थोड़ा बैलेंस हो जाएगा. So this man is not just the guy who funded the video, but he was constantly रेकी से लेके कोरियोग्राफी, रिहर्सल्स, हमसे पर्सनली बात करना और सेट के दिन ट्रस्ट मी लाइक आई सेड कि बहुत कुछ शूट करना था. वो एक दिन में कैसे हुआ है, एक है गणेश जी और दूसरे हैं ये मतलब लिटरली एक्टर्स के पास ये तो तैयार हो जाता था टाइम पे, मेरे पास आके चलो चलो चलो. आई मीन ही डिडंट नीड टू डू दैट, देयर वर अदर पीपल असाइन्ड फॉर हिज जॉब. हाँ, एंड ही वाज एट इट. वो अपना झोला लटका के लाइक टिपिकल प्रोड्यूसर लुक में, बट वो ही वाज एवरीथिंग बट अ प्रोड्यूसर ऑन द सेट. He was doing all odd jobs. He was doing everything. He made sure the shoot happens smoothly and on time and finishes on time. Trust me, matlab Rajiv, I've known you for not too many decades, just a few. But this side of his. अच्छा, इनकी एक्टिंग की जो कीड़े हैं जो हमारे साथ निकलते थे उसके बारे में कुछ बताओ ना, कैसे वो अरमान पूरे कर रहे थे हमारे साथ रिहर्सल्स में.
हाँ, इनकी एक्टिंग के कीड़े एक्चुअली हम सीन वर्क करते हैं तो हम एक दूसरे के कीड़े निकाल लेते हैं. सो वी डू सीन वर्क्स टुगेदर. ही इज आल्सो अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर एंड हाँ, इनके बगैर ही मेड इट वेरी स्मूथ. गणेश जी एंड राजीव वाज involved in everything from costume to the dance rehearsals like she said and intricate details. उसकी वजह से ये रिक्वेस्ट पड़ा and he's like my brother and इनकी वजह से ही मैं आया हूँ and thank you.
I would like to tell India that soon as he launched a movie as an actor, तो भी इनसे 2-3 questions इनसे पूछ लो, बाद में मिलेंगे नहीं इतनी आवाज़. Very good.
Experience producer.
So it was a brilliant experience doing this video because the way we sat down first day with Kumar Bhaji to do the lyrics. So Shivani had done Mukla of the song, which what was that? So हाँ, तो वो एक गाने का अलग फील था और with that feel we came and I sat down with Kumar Bhaji and so Kumar Bhaji obviously is the master of doing the lyrics. So the way he came up with the complete changeover of the lyrics and the mood of the song totally like set us on a different trip altogether. And then when the music came in and the reiteration of the music happened, and then we came down with this version which actually touched everyone. So we were like continuously taking feedbacks from everyone about how the song is sounding, how can we make it more modern, how can we make it today's music. And when that finally happened, the whole visuals of the video started emerging in front of us. And when Ganesh came in, he came in with the story of what you saw on the screen. That totally gave us a different perspective of how a music video can be done, where it's a different thing on now. So that event once we had a visual, then the realization of the cast, which took almost I think a month or something like that. And finally, when we had Karishma and Akshay on board, when we started, we knew that we had a beautiful video coming up. And from the location to the work we put in into the whole video was absolutely a dream coming true, forming in front of us. So I would say that it was a complete team effort of each and every person involved in making the music, Harry Monty, Amit, Kumar Bhaji, and the team on the music front, and Dinesh, the director of the video, with his team, Pari, the choreographer. She is a young kid and she was there like her. I think I asked Karishma and Akshay to put a little light on Pari's choreography. How they, and she's such a sweet girl that आपको लगेगा ये क्या करेगी, but the way she directed them on the dance part was something which you have seen on screen and a little bit more which you guys experienced. Please share it with us.
Pari is a very small little girl. She's a very sweet girl and she's very helpful about her
choreography and उनका debut है शायद.
Yes.
And she was really excited. She tagged me also. I was used to it. And एक मिनट नहीं बैठी हो कि आप ऐसे करो कैसे करो कैसे करो, नहीं अच्छा लग रहा ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. हमें वो ऐसे डांट देती जैसे कि हमारी मम्मी है वो, बट उसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. And like you can see, and there is Nakul also who helped us assisted Farid, and I wish her the best of luck.
हमारी एक दो चीज़ें हैं जो हमने शूट की थी जो वीडियो में नहीं है हमारे. सो आई हैव टू मेंशन दिस, देयर वाज दिस ब्यूटीफुल लिफ्ट व्हिच वी शॉट बट जगह नहीं थी उसकी वीडियो में, सो वी डिड नॉट यूज इट. He had tennis elbow की कुछ surgery done just few days before the video का shoot, and he came for the rehearsals like that. I said, भाई तू मुझे क्या उठाएगा? So I'll do it, and he actually did it. And even on the day of the shoot, we did this beautiful lift. I so wish it was there in the video because हमने बहुत मेहनत की थी. मुझे तो क्या करना था, बस घूमना था, but उठाना ही तो था मुझे. So yes, everything was like from the choreography to the direction. I just want to take this moment because मुझे आगे पता नहीं मौका मिलेगा कि नहीं. I really want to thank the Meet Brothers for I don't know how I ended up doing this video, but you know, thank you. This is my first with them. I've been with them for 21 years.
Oh my God.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Yes, and this is my first with them. Thank you, my dear darling husband. ये मुझे नए गाने जब भी आते हैं, रियलिटी हम घर पे भी काम आ ही जाता है, तो हम लोग हमेशा गाने वाने सुनते रहते हैं, कुछ भी नया गाना आने वाला होता है. एंड वी ऑलवेज recommend, suggest, we give our inputs. So he's always kept me involved that way. तो जब मेरे को ये गाना सुनने मिला था शिवानी का, तो हम लोग बस हम लोग रात को टीवी देखते हैं, तो ये कुछ सुन रहे थे गाना, एंड आई सडनली सेड टीवी पे लगाओ मुझे सुनना है. I heard and I started howling. I was crying, and only thing I told him, please do full justice to this song. Take good actors. Please looks पे मत जाना, followers पे मत जाना, influencers जो अच्छी acting करते हैं उनको लेना. If you want to take influencers, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to like but you know a song like this needed everyone at their 100%. So he's like, नहीं, of course, ऐसा थोड़ी ना, of course. And शिवानी का गाना है, कुमार भाजी ने लिखा है, everyone is putting in that 100%. Casting चल रही है. अरे ठीक है, मुझे auditions दिखाते रहना. तो मैंने एक दो auditions भी देखे, very nice girls. ये क्या हुआ? I don't know how they ended up on me. It's still a mystery. But Manmeet, my daughter, and I were out for dinner, and he's like, शिवानी का video करोगे? And I said, I'll think about it. अंदर से तो लड्डू फूट गए थे because वो गाना जिस पे मैं पागलों की तरह रो रही थी, and I literally I was like, this will be a dream for any actor to perform on, you know. And thank you Sean for thinking about me and giving me this video. Thank you Shivani, thank you Akshay for being this video, Monica, Rajiv and Bhaiya. Thank you so much.
So I'll tell you how this happened. We were sitting in the recording studio and the song was done, and we were like trying to figure out the cast, the marks up there, which are or redevelopment progress of going on. And suddenly when we showed the show for a model complete on the street. And he's showing me this picture. I'm like, done. Immediately. So she's the one. And then once Karu was done, then the boy was to be done, and Akshay and me have been doing some scene work on the acting front. And I was like, I've seen some of his videos, and we had a dance teacher photographer, and so Chris, so he has been training us for dance. And I've seen some of his work. So I thought this is a very contemporary kind of a dance video. It is not Bollywood dancing, it's a very different kind of a dance which is required in this video. And how we can visualize the pathos coming out. And Akshay had already kind of touched that space in his earlier videos. So immediately I spoke to him and he was like, yes, without asking anything, he said yes. And then when we heard the song and we recorded, rehearsing, so and then Shivani kept on working on the vocals as working on the song. So the scaling which was changed from the regular scale to what you are hearing now brings out that sadness, but the overall project has been a very, very happy and satisfying project for all of us. Anything Mani to add to that?
So I just wanted to, with so much of love and emotions and family, my question is to Shivani and to his brothers, that how easy or difficult it is, when you want to put across your point and feel it, I don't, he or she doesn't feel that. As of course you're all professionals, but did you all face anything like that?
All of us, especially to meet
Actually,
the
yeah,
family.
because you all have been more.
So as a singer, you need to surrender to the music directors. You can't. So I have this habit of putting the Shivani style in most of my performances and singing. It's very difficult to take that personality out of me. It's been too many years now, but I think this time I said surrender. क्योंकि एक बार हरमीत ने जब when I was singing, he said नहीं. So it took many takes for him to be happy, for Manmeet to be happy. और उसके बाद भी we again made it up. So that means somewhere I started feeling that क्या हो गया यार, maybe my singing is not so good, क्या हो गया. So yes, I did. But then I realized that they were trying to get the best out of me, because after a long time I'm doing a big song like this. I've been doing Punjabi dance, blah blah blah, those kind of songs which are very easy to deliver and render. But I think I surrendered, and that was I think the biggest moral of the story for me, and that's why it worked. If you start arguing too much कि नहीं इसको तो ऐसे गाना चाहिए, then that doesn't work. You have to surrender to their vision. That's why. And thank you, Rajiv, because you also kept criticizing me a lot. They would criticize me, they would do far more polite, but constructive, yeah. But it all worked in the end. Yeah. So when we
See, that is the whole idea. I think the entire entertainment industry should understand that working with your own people makes life much simpler. You don't feel bad because there is no judgment. You already know. मुझे पता ही है कि शिवानी ज़्यादा जूते मारेगी, बट है तो अपनी ना, तो if I tell her कि इसमें मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, she don't want to feel bad because she knows my intent is, it's like how parents would always say कि बेटा ये नहीं करने का है, तो उसमें kids can't feel bad, it's for their benefit and vice versa. Sometimes Shivani would tell us, no, please change कर दो, उसमें मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, so you know we're going to judge. So that's the whole comfort and working with your friends, and obviously Manmeet and me work together for 25 years. The reason is because we don't judge each other, we just say politely, agree करो नहीं करो बात की बात.
Since 25 years since.
25 years since we were born.
So before we wind up, can we have this song?
Yes,
What's
please.
your?
What if we don't want to wind up in Sanskrit?
Please continue.
we have the guitar,
We are hungry. खाने का भी छोड़ा हो गया.
Lunch time.